You are not ready for this because it's not just a home, it's your own private park. Over 40 acres of rolling hills, named trails, creeks, wildlife, and a fully renovated home. All just 6 minutes from downtown Chatsworth. Properties like this almost never come up. Now, let me take you into one of the most versatile, adventure-ready, and beautifully updated estates in North Georgia. Right at the center of this 40-plus acre retreat is a thoughtfully renovated home, offering 1,440 square feet on the main level, including a spacious primary suite, an updated kitchen, open living and dining areas, full and half baths, and a stunning glass-wrapped solarium that opens to a Trex deck overlooking Fort Mountain. Morning coffee here feels like a vacation. Head down to the fully finished terrace level and you get another 1,440 square feet, 3 bedrooms, a full bath, a huge living area, climate-controlled storage, and a charming 3-season sunroom that lets you enjoy the outdoors no matter the weather. But step outside and the property becomes something extraordinary. Your own network of private trails, complete with fun, clever signage at every intersection. 2 creeks, Duck Branch and the beautifully shaded Poplar Creek, creating peaceful soundscapes across the land. A 3-acre open field perfect for pasture, gardening, events, or recreation. For equipment, hobbies, or travel, you'll find multiple outbuildings, an 18 by 36 covered RV station with water, septic, and both 30 amp and 50 amp hookups, plus a powered 12 by 20 storage building and additional covered structures. Modern upgrades include new windows, siding, gutters, HVAC for both levels, a 24-kilowatt whole house generator, level 2 EV charging, and a detached garage with 200 amp service. Deer, hawks, owls, trillium, wildflowers, this land feels alive in the best way possible. With frontage on 2 roads and unmatched privacy just minutes from town, this property is the definition of rare. A place where every trail, every view, and every corner invites you to explore, unwind, and live the lifestyle people dream about. Your private